Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to join the Dead Rails Discord server. Alright, let's begin. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type roblox.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, go to the search bar at the top and type Dead Rails, then hit enter. From the search results, click on the Dead Rails game. This takes you to the game's main page. Scroll down and look for the Discord server link. It's usually in the description or somewhere on the page. Once you find the link, click on it. This will open a new tab and take you directly to Discord. Wait a moment for Discord to load. You'll see an invite to join the Dead Rails server. Click Accept Invite. After that, you'll be inside the server where you can chat, get updates, and connect with other players. If the link doesn't work or nothing happens when you click it, copy the link instead. Then open the Discord app manually. On the left-hand side, click the plus icon to add a new server. Select Join a Server and paste the link into the box. Click Join Server to complete the process. So that's basically how you can join the Dead Rails Discord server. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.